Okay, good morning everyone. We are going to be doing our instructional activity number 2, making Jell-O. So we're gonna need our Jell-O packet. I don't have any water in here, but 1 cup of cold water and 1 cup of boiling water. We're going to need a little saucepan to heat our water up. We're going to need a spoon to stir, and then I'm gonna be using a pie tin to put my Jell-O in when I'm done. So everyone's gonna need those ingredients, and remember, you might need your parents' help. So the first thing that we're gonna do after we have all our ingredients is we're gonna turn our burner on to high so that we can heat our water up, and we're gonna put 1 cup of water in our saucepan, and then we're gonna let that boil. Okay, so while we're waiting for our water to boil, I'm going to explain to you why we have to get a hot liquid. So the hot liquid is going to mix in with our powder, and our powder is going to evaporate, and that's going to create our solution. So our mixture is going to become a solution, something that we can't separate out from each other. So our Jell-O is going to be our powder, and that's our solid, and then our boiling water is going to be our liquid. And when we mix them together, the powder is going to dissolve and go away, and that's going to create our solution. We have to add the cooler water too, just to have more Jell-O, but we don't want it all to be too hot. So that is why we do those steps. Also, boys and girls, do not forget to write down your materials in your interactive notebook. So you're gonna write down what your Jell-O powder is gonna look like, your cool water, and then once your warm water is boiling, you're gonna record that down too. And then we're gonna keep recording down our steps as we go along through the process, okay? Don't forget. Okay, look, my water's starting to boil. We gotta let it get a little bit more. See the steam coming off of it? Awesome. Okay, so now my water is at a full boil. So now I'm going to take my packet of Jell-O out. Okay, here it is. Make sure you get it all down to the bottom. I'm gonna take my hot water off of the boiler, okay? See me doing this? Pour our packet in, and then we have to mix it really good until all the powder is gone, okay? So we're gonna mix, and I'll come back and show you as soon as it's done. Okay, be careful not to spill like I did. But here we go. We got it all mixed up. All of our powder is dissolving. See it going away in there. And make sure we're getting it all good and mixed up, just like this, okay? Now, after our mix is all made, we're gonna take our cup of cold water. We're gonna slowly add it in, okay? Just slowly, a little bit at a time. Mix that up. Now, as you guys saw, and I'm sure you see in yours, all of your powder is dissolved. So now we have our solution of strawberry Jell-O mix and water. Once we have it all mixed up and everything is good and mixed together, we're gonna pour it into our pan, okay? Very carefully. Mom and Dad might have to help you do this, okay? So ready? Watch. Ooh, our nice and red Jell-O, yummy. But obviously, we don't eat we don't eat liquid Jell-O. We eat solid Jell-O, right? So now we're gonna take it and we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. When you do it, you're gonna check it every 1 hour to see the progress that's making on hardening, okay? So every 1 hour, you're gonna go and you're gonna record in your interactive notebook what you see. I'm gonna stick mine in the refrigerator, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what mine looks like after 4 hours, okay? Okay, so we're back and it's been 4 hours, and here is what my Jell-O looks like. It's jiggly a little bit, you can't really tell in this pan, but it's solid. I can touch it. Remember to wash your hands first. And that's what our Jell-O is gonna turn out like. It went from one solution and then it hardened, and now this is what it looks like. And it's absolutely delicious. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope this worked well for you.